The movie starts on a planet called Yacha, home to a warrior alien race also known as Yachas. On this planet, strength and fighting skills are everything. The strongest fighters earn respect, and the weak, well, they aren't allowed to live. The moment someone is seen as weak, they're killed. We meet a Yacha named Dex. When he walks into his mountain home, his brother immediately attacks him with a sword. He's not trying to hurt him. He's doing it because he cares. He knows that if Dex isn't strong enough, others will kill him. So he pushes Dex to train and get tougher. They fight for a long time, but Dex doesn't win even once. His brother tells him keep practicing, but Dex already believes he's strong. I don't need more training, he says. I am powerful. You and Dad just can't see it. I'll prove myself. I'll hunt the strongest creature in the universe and make Dad proud. His brother tells him about a monster called Kalesic, the most powerful creature known. It's impossible to kill or capture it. Are you really going to bring that back? Dex accepts the challenge right away, but his brother warns him. Even Dad couldn't do it. Right then, their father shows up. The moment he sees Dex, he gets furious. He orders his other son to kill Dex, saying Dex is ruining the family's reputation. Dex tries to explain, Dad, I swear it's not like that. One day, I'll bring you a great trophy. I'll make you proud. But his father just stares at him, even angrier. He ties Dex up with laser ropes and again orders the brother to kill him. The brother has no choice. He obeys his father. But instead of killing Dex, he slices the ropes and frees him. Dex doesn't waste a second. He sprints to his spaceship. Their father explodes with rage and cuts off his son's hand. Even with only one hand left, the brother still tries to help Dex. He grabs the ship's remote and launches Dex's spaceship toward the planet Gina, where the black monster lives. Dex trusts his brother fully, but he never imagined his dad would punish him so brutally. In his rage, Dex's father kills a brother. Dex is devastated. The scene shifts. Dex arrives at planet Gina. As his ship enters the atmosphere, the pressure becomes intense. The windows shatter, and Dex has to eject in an escape capsule. He crash lands in Gina's jungle. Dex considers himself a strong warrior. His suit contains all kinds of hidden weapons, but he has no idea how dangerous Gina really is. Even the plants here act like monsters. The moment he moves, the plants attack him. They rip every weapon out of his suit. Then they hurl huge boulder-like pods at him. Dex manages to cut them apart with his wrist laser blade and pushes forward, fighting off more plant creatures along the way. Some plants grab Dex's legs while others try to pull him down, but after slicing through them all, he finally breaks out of the jungle. By now, he's seriously injured. He sits for a moment to heal himself, then gets up and keeps moving. He still has no idea where Kalesic even is. As he walks, he spots strange flowers. The moment he gets close, they open wide like mouths and try to bite him. Dex realizes his planet is dangerous at every step. Then he notices a girl hanging from the nearby trees. Her name is Thea. She calls out to him. You don't look like you're from here. What are you doing? Dex answers, I'm a warrior from the planet Yacha. I'm here to hunt the monster Kalesic. I want to prove to my people that I'm the strongest. Thea replies, I don't think you understand how dangerous this planet is. The jungle you're in is the deadliest place here. I don't think you'll survive. If you want, I can help you. I know this place really well. Dex refuses. No, I don't need help. Thea says, think again. I know exactly where Kalesic is. Hearing that, Dex changes his mind and gets her down. That's when he discovers she isn't human. She's a synthetic, part human and part machine. Dex carries her on his back and continues the journey. Thea explains she's been stuck here for 2 years. Suddenly, a flying dragon swoops down and attacks. Dex is knocked unconscious. Thea fights the dragon with her mechanical strength, kills it, and drags herself away. When Dex wakes up, she says, Now do you believe you can't survive without me? Dex picks her up again, and they keep moving. Soon, they reach a river filled with bloodthirsty fish that would tear them apart. But Thea can mentally control them, so the two safely cross. On the other side is a calmer jungle. Dex takes off his belt and ties Thea securely to his back. After a long trek, they stop to rest the night. Thea explains that humans sent her from Earth to study this planet and to hunt Kalesic. But humans are too fragile to survive here. That's why they created synthetics like her, half organic, half machine. I came with my sister, Tisa, she says, but Kalesic attacked our ship. My legs were damaged and we got separated. It's been 2 years. I've been stuck up there ever since. The scene shifts to Tisa. She's inside her ship, repairing it almost completely. Robotic arms fix her damaged body as she sits in a repair chamber. It's clear she wants to find Thea as soon as possible. She's deeply worried. Back with Dex and Thea, morning arrives. They continue toward Kalsik's lair. But first, they must cross fields filled with deadly poisonous plants and giant monsters. Thea warns Dex that these monsters are Kalsik's guards. Even Kalsik eats them when he's hungry. While they talk, a small creature appears, hopping around like a monkey. It tells Dex, "I can help you get to this area." But Dex once again insists he doesn't need help. Suddenly, a massive guard monster attacks them. Before it can strike, Dex pulls out his laser sword and slices the creature in half. Before they can escape, another monster shows up, this one with huge tentacles. It grabs both Dex and Thea. The small creature jumps in and cuts the tentacles, freeing them. But the monster gets furious and seizes the small creature. Before it can eat him, Dex leaps high into the air and smashes into a tree, showing his bravery once again. The tree crashes down on the monster, pinning it. Dex jumps over from the other side and drives his blade straight into the monster's eye. It dies instantly. Finally, everyone is safe. From this point on, the three decide to travel together. Meanwhile, we jump back to Tisa. She's searching the forest, trying to find Thea. She eventually reaches a spot where Dex's ship crashed. She scans the wreckage and discovers it came from Yatja. That means a Yatja warrior is on the planet. After putting the clues together, she realizes Thea must be with him. Back with Dex's group, they build a fire for night. Dex and the little creature are starving, so they go hunt for food. Thea simply says, "I'm a synthetic. I don't need to eat." Thea asks Dex about his past. Dex opens up. "My dad was going to kill me. I just wanted to prove myself. My brother helped me escape. He launched me into space. But while I was leaving, I watched my dad kill him. I want revenge. I want to capture the monster. And I'm going to prove to my dad that my brother and I were right." We cut back to Tisa again. She's still examining Dex's ship. She checks his weapons and finds one that fascinates her, a weapon that can freeze anything instantly. She takes all of the weapons with her. Morning arrives. Dex, Thea, and the small creature begin walking again. Eventually, they reach a destroyed facility. Thea says, "This used to be our base." Kalsik destroyed everything. She spots her old robotic legs and grabs them. She goes inside the lab to reattach them. There, she apologizes to Dex. "I only stayed with you to get my legs back. That's why I used you. I don't actually know where Kalsik is. I can't help you." Dex is furious. How could she lie after everything? Thea tries to explain. "Kalsik is too dangerous. You can't defeat him. You should go back to your planet." Dex snaps back. "You're about to see what happens when you lie to me." He storms outside. Suddenly, a gigantic creature appears. It's Kalsik, the monster Dex has been searching for. It's terrifying, towering over Dex with a huge open mouth. Dex charges in with his laser sword. He slides under Kalsik and slashes its stomach, but nothing happens. The wound instantly heals. Dex attacks again, but every injury closes up. He cuts off Kalsik's tail, it grows back. He cuts off its head, it reattaches itself. Kalsik is basically immortal. Dex tries to capture him with chain, but Kalsik easily overpowers him. He could kill Dex at any moment, but then something weird happens. Kalsik sniffs him and lets him go. Dex is stunned. Why would a monster like this spare him? Even Tisa, watching from a distance, is shocked. Dex is completely helpless. Tisa knows she'll be attacked next, so she grabs Dex's freezing weapon and blasts everyone. She freezes Dex, Thea, the small creature, even Kalsik. She drags all of them back to her lab. There, she begins experimenting on Dex, try to learn everything about his biology. She completely ignores Thea. Thea refuses to attach her robotic legs because she's furious with Tisa. Dex is angry too. "You tricked me," he tells Thea. "I'm stuck here because of you." Tisa, however, is thrilled. "Mom will be so happy," she says. "I captured 2 aliens. Mom is the scientist who created both synthetics." Thea argues. "We came here to capture Kalsik. Why are we hurting Dex? Let him go. He saved my life." Tisa ignores her and takes Dex's blood. So, there's this robot standing guard. Thea outsmarts it, breaks Dex out, and they figure out Tisa was the one who launched the ship, and it's headed straight for Earth. She actually told her she's bringing aliens as some kind of gift. Dex bolts from the ship, jumps out, and goes to grab his weapons. He's dead set on stopping Tisa, and catching this creature, Kalesic. Tisa realizes Dex is gone and doubles back to get him. She commands her robot army. Kill him if you have to. We'll just take his body to Earth. Thea wants to help. Even though her legs are still detached, she controls him with her mind and starts tearing through the other robots. She's holding her own until finally, she gets her legs reattached. She's back in one piece and ready to face Tisa, who's now inside this giant, powerful robot suit. Meanwhile, Dex runs into that little creature again. It tells him, I'm Kalesic's son. I need to find my mother. So Dex brings him along, makes some weapons from jungle plants, and starts taking down Tisa's robots. Tisa comes at him with a giant robot, trying to crush him. Dex is just barely hanging on. Thea sees he's in trouble and has an idea. She opens a chamber where Kalesic is being held and frees him, hoping it'll save Dex. As soon as he's out, Kalesic goes into a rage. He attacks Tisa's robot, rips open the cockpit, pulls Tisa out, and throws her. They think they've finally won. Dex brings Kalesic's son to him, and the big creature is overjoyed. Turns out, the reason Kalesic never killed Dex before was because he smelled his son on him. He'd been searching everywhere. Kalesic even thanks Thea. We see he's not just strong, he's got a good heart. But then, suddenly, Kalesic turns to solid ice. Tisa's still alive. She used Dex's own freeze weapon on him. Then she shatters him into pieces. Tisa moves to attack Dex, but Thea jumps in, weakens her, and Dex delivers a final blow. She's gone. With their mission over but Kalesic dead, Dex takes Thea and the baby creature back to his home planet, Yatja, to face his dad. His dad is furious. Get out! Why did you even come back? Dex says, I'm here to end this. Look, I captured 2 aliens. Now you have to accept me. His dad doesn't care. He orders 2 warriors to kill Dex, but after everything Dex has been through, he takes him down easily. Still, his dad shows no mercy and steps up to fight him himself. Fueled by rage, Dex fights and defeats his father, killing him. With his dad and brother gone, Dex becomes a new leader. His reputation soars because he captured aliens. Then, just as things settle, another spaceship approaches the planet. Everyone's confused. Who's in there? Dex tells them, that's my mother's ship. And with that big reveal and a whole new mystery hanging in the air, the movie ends.